Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katelyn, and today we are doing a sketchbook tour for my April 2017 to November 2017 sketchbook. I just finished this not too long ago, so I thought we'd jump in and do another fun little sketchbook tour. And just to preface, there are a couple pages in here that have some stuff for Fox and Hound and a few things that I don't want to reveal just yet, so I'll be skipping over those pages just to let you guys know. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and start off. This was this was probably right when I started the sketchbook, so I did like a little Cora, and then for some reason, I really think, I don't know, drawing people smoking looks cool. I personally don't smoke, but I don't know why, but I really wanted to try drawing this like mohawk tattoo chick with a cigarette, and I thought it looked cool. I don't know, I just really liked it. And then this one, I think there was some type of competition going on. I don't remember what, but I never finished the piece. I think it was for some mobile game or something, but it was to like summon a creature on your phone for some type of mobile game. I don't remember it at all, but I was doing some concept sketching and trying to figure out what I wanted to do for it and if I wanted to draw like this Anubis-like character or what, but I don't think I ever finished that piece. And then this one was just a fun little doodle of like a Quetzalcoatl dragon-like thing. Don't know what, but I like it. Oh, and then this one, it's a little bit harder to see, but to keep practicing in graphic design with my previous job, I didn't really have a lot of design challenges, so I made one for myself of making a coffee shop. So this one was for Shiba Shack, which was a little mock-up that I did for that. And then drawing chicks with horns, because apparently I have a horn fetish and I love horns. This was actually at Phoenix Comic-Con, so this was in May. There was a girl dressed like this. And I was like, I need to sketch you. You look really cool. And then Fox and Hound sketch. I was watching Dragon Maid around that time, and I loved Toru, and I thought she was super cute. Same with My Hero, watching that around that time. Another Fox and Hound sketch. Another Fox and Hound sketch, doing some ideas for like costumes and armor and such. Never finished that one. It was like a brainstorm or I guess a thumbnailing sketch for a commission I had. Some other random sketches, some Fox and Hound stuff. I don't know what this was. I think it just started as a random shape and I just decided to keep going with it, not really knowing what it is, but I like it. This one was some logo concepting for a friend of mine, just trying it out, seeing what I could figure out. Some more sketches. I think these ones were actually at RTX, if I remember correctly. I was sitting and waiting in line, so I did like a crow raven thing and like a dragon, and then some more Fox and Hound sketches. And then this one, this totally was at RTX, because I drew Crow and I didn't really like how it was turning out, and then I went and drew like a grim head, and I really, really liked that one. And then this one was just kind of a random, I think it started as a line, and then I decided to do like this full dragon body, you know, because I just love dragons. I could draw dragons all day, every day. Did some more Fox and Hound sketches. This one, I don't know what it was either. I think it started as random shapes. And then this one, I was trying to do kind of a cute little chibi grim. Tried to draw a saddle, because I've never really drawn a saddle before, and I need it for Fox and Hound. And I'm not sure what this one was. I think I was just playing around with an idea of what like an elk or one of the mounts could look like for the series. And then this is one of the characters for Fox and Hound. He'll be coming up later. I'll probably reveal some more about him in the future, but I really wanted to sketch him and try him out a little bit more, and I really like how this one looks. Same with these, like I did some concepts for his weapon, and then along with some crests and shield looks, and a couple different poses and head studies, and I really like them. And then here's a couple more. This is Hound, Zara. You guys will meet her later on. But I wanted to do some like expressions and just sketch her, doodle her, try some different things. And then these two are actually my husband's characters. This one is Lily and this one is Mizuki. And he wanted me to sketch them, and I was like, yeah, for sure. And I really like these ones, like how this one looks overall. I love how the outfit turned out and the line work. Same with Mizuki. I was really, really happy with these ones. Oh, and then this one was for my Pokemon Fusion episodes. I drew myself as a little trainer. And this one was really fun. I really got to start doing those Pokemon episodes again because that was a blast. And I think this one was just a weird challenge of combining like a crab and a centipede, because I think this was like the crab claw and like the eyes and then the centipede body. I don't remember what it's for, but I think it looks pretty gnarly. Oh, and then I did some hand studies because I was feeling I was struggling with hands around this time, and I think I need to do another one pretty soon. But I liked how a lot of these turned out, especially this one right here. I really liked that one, and this one here too. There was a lot of really good ones. There's a few that I still struggle with, like this pose I didn't feel was as strong, but a lot of them I could see some really good improvement. And then after that, I also did some foot studies, and then I was trying to think of something for a t-shirt. I never finished this. I should really get back on it, but just did a couple studies here and there. So then after the foot studies, I did a couple different animal studies because I felt my anatomy on some creatures was kind of slipping again. So I wanted to do a couple quick studies and some practice overall. I really like how the rhino turned out. I think that one was one of my favorites. And then I did some horse studies because I am terrible at horse anatomy. Horse anatomy is really tough. Like, you either get horse anatomy right or you don't. So I did some quick gesture sketches. I tried to break down the shapes and the overall muscle structure of what a horse looks like in these ones. This one, not as much, but I like how this one turned out. And then these gestures, I really like. Another little fox and hound sketch. And then this one was a quick rough pose for a Patreon commission that I got. And here's the actual final one. I did the first initial sketch that I didn't really like as much, and then I went in and refined it and tried a little bit of a different pose. So that's the final sketch for that. And another quick fox and hound doodle. I don't know why, but I felt like drawing fox flipping off someone. Oh, and then these are the thumbnails for Inktober. So I tried to plan ahead and do some quick thumbnail sketches of each day and figure out what character I wanted to do, what creature or what monster girl I wanted. So I tried to plan out as far in advance as possible. So I did a couple here, and then I started to kind of taper off because I was running out of time. And I think I jumped into more. I have one more here, and that's about it. But I tried to do at least some thumbnailing sketches for every drawing for Inktober. And then this was when I went to LA and I was at the Natural History Museum. So I did some animal studies of the stuffed animals that are there. Did some of the lions and the gazelles. And I really like how this one looks specifically. I don't know why, but I really like the face and how the horns sit. And I really like that one. And then we also went over to like the dinosaur bones area. I did this one real quick of a triceratop head. And then there was also some elephants, and I think that was a water buffalo. And then this was back at the dinosaur area. So I did a full study of the triceratops skeleton. I don't know if you can see it very well because of the blue pencil, but here's the head and then the body. I was looking at it straight on. And then there was also a T-Rex skull. So I did a quick gesture of that. And then the Stegosaurus I really liked drawing. The front-on angle was really interesting and intense to figure out, but here's the head and then the rib cage, the spine, arms, so on and so forth. But I really like this one specifically. I don't know why. I just really, really like it. And then here's the sketches for the McCaigue Mini Monster coloring book. I did a couple of quick concepts for what I wanted on the different pages. So I had the Minotaur Maze, the Medusa Makeover. This was the Connect the Dot Chimera initial sketch. And then this was the first Hydra drawing that I did for the Hydra page, but I wasn't really liking it. So later on, I did that one fully digitally instead of doing a sketch in a sketchbook ahead of time. And then this was the Griffin versus a Hippogriff. And then I forgot about this. I tried drawing a troll under the bridge, and the first one turned out so derpy. I hated this one. So then I tried it again, and I was like, oh, this is cute. He's kind of like sipping his tea. He has a big teapot on some like burning trees. I thought that one was a lot better than Mr. Derpy over here. And then this one was for the mermaid matching. I just did one mermaid idea, like to see what style I wanted to do it in, and then later I added all the different variations on it. And then here's some more concepting for Fox and Hound. Did a couple of different weapon designs, and then some face studies. And then finally, I did a lot of food studies recently. I don't know why, but I've been really liking the idea of drawing food and different commerce for Fox and Hound, so this is kind of a little sneak peek for you guys, but I wanted every single society to have their own crops and agriculture, and I just really like how it looked, and it was a lot of fun to concept these out, and I'm still in the process of coloring them, but there's a couple of the sketches. I did a few more over here. And then a couple more concepts for a character that will be coming out soon. And that's it. That is all for this sketchbook for April to November. This took a lot of time, but I'm getting a lot faster at filling these up. My newest one, though, I'm kind of behind on, so I gotta jump back on that. So thanks, guys, for stopping by and checking out this sketchbook tour. I'm getting a lot quicker at these, so I'm hoping to have another one of these for you in the next upcoming months. And I hope you enjoyed the little sneak preview at Fox and Hound and at least the little sketches that I could show you. So thanks again, guys, for stopping by, and if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I have new art videos every week, and I do everything from monster creations to character art to lots of different things, and the occasional sketchbook tour. So thanks again, guys, for checking out this video, and I will see you all next time. Bye, everybody.